Okay, I thought it was a regular Macy's. Nope, it's a furniture only one. But what?
Financial goals. We're here to listen and help. What would you like the power to do? Learn more at bankofamerica.com/about. Bank of America N.A. member FDIC equal credit opportunity lender.
This Saturday and Sunday only at Old Navy. Get $12 flannels for the family. Grab your fall flannels for only $12. But hurry, it's only this Saturday and Sunday at Old Navy. Valid 11/11 and 12. Select styles only.
Oh, Mr. Candlewick,
Yes.
there you are.
I'm here for my counseling session.
Yes, you are. And I forgot you have a fear of opening doors.
Yes, I do.
Please come in. You just need an incentive, like S&G Carpet's grand opening sale.
Grand opening sale?
S&G just opened a new showroom in Northwest Arkansas, and to celebrate, they'll pay your sales tax and give you up to 20% off select flooring.
Even Karastan?
Even Karastan.
Oh.
Let's practice, Mr. Candlewick.
20% off.
See?
I did
You
it.
just need to go into any showroom or shop at home with their mobile showroom.
40, 60.
It's not cumulative, Mr. Candlewick.
What?
It's only during their grand opening sale that S&G will pay your sales tax and give you up to 20% off.
I was seeing of it. S&G Carpet is growing.
See
And to
that.
celebrate the
That
grand
was
opening of their new
turned off, I
showroom in
guess.
Northwest Arkansas, this month
Cares, I
S&G
go
will pay
past
your sales
this.
tax and give you up to 20% off select flooring. Even Karastan.
It's gone.
Go to sgcarpet.com for the showroom nearest you, or to have their mobile showroom come to you. Now offering tile and carpet cleaning.
Thanksgiving is right around the corner, but don't worry, your
Okay, it's
local
Best
grocery
Buy,
outlet has
not
you
so
covered
bad.
on the turkey. Just visit your favorite grocery outlet location, spend $50 on qualifying purchases,
there
and
it
you'll get
is.
$21 off your Jenny O turkey. That's a whole turkey for as low as 50 cents a pound. Here at Grocery Outlet, we have the brand names you love at amazing low prices. We are thankful to be part of your neighborhood, and we've got your bird in hand. See store for details. Grocery Outlet,
It's right here.
If your child experiences a burn, Shriners Children's is here with world-renowned burn care. The same doctors who innovate procedures for the most serious burn cases are ready with the most advanced treatments for pediatric burn injuries, no matter the degree. Best of all, our care is provided regardless of a family's ability to pay or insurance status. Visit us at shrinerschildrens.org to see why we're the place to turn for any burn.
I don't think I
Shriners
have a car.
Children's,
Wait,
the most
yes, they
amazing
do.
care anywhere.
Perhaps an 11.
Based on studies of topical and oral minoxidil, prescription products require an online consultation with a healthcare provider who will determine if the prescription is appropriate. Restrictions apply. See website for full details and important safety information.
At hers, we know hair loss for women can start
Yeah, let me reset the mileage that way.